This is the SC Multimode Fiber Patch Panel Kit 12-port. With this SC Multimode Fiber Patch Panel, you can easily make one rack unit support your multimode fiber applications. There is no work that needs to be done other than plugging it in and letting it play. There is no cutting, polishing, or terminating. This patch panel includes one rack unit, 12 ports, and screws. Each SM Multimode connector supports 62.5, 125, and 50, 125 micron cables. This patch panel is easy to install and fits standard 19-inch rack mounts. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.